coming back. Hi, welcome to the video. We are going to talk about how to bend and pick stuff up. In this instance, because it's getting on for Wimbledon season, we are going to talk about a tennis ball off the floor. So there are several ways to pick up a tennis ball or something else small and light from the floor. If you have a tennis racket, then you can pick it up thus, or like so. There is a common theme here. Even if I drop my racket on the floor, the way I pick this up to protect my back is the same. I'm going to try and keep my little hollow shape in my lower back. I'm going to try and keep my chest open. I'm going to sit into my hip in order to lunge down and pick the racket up. What I'm going to particularly avoid doing is bending over from my lower back, which is where a lot of stress will be applied to the soft tissues in my back, particularly the discs, and may, if I'm intolerant of that particular direction of movement, cause me pain. So the movement that you're wanting to make is hinging at your hips. So it's a sit back with soft knees, keeping my lower back hollow and preferably my chest up. If you really want to keep the chest up, try and look towards the horizon. By all means, sight the thing that you want to pick up, but when you bend, try and look up, because that will help you to keep your spine in that nice neutral position and give you an opportunity to reach the object that you're going for, and then drive straight back up out of your hip, again looking forwards. Simple, spine sparing, spine hygiene promoting, core activating, hip muscle developing exercise, which will help you to bend and lift safely. Please like and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you on the next video.